What's up, bros? Today we're cracking these two blaster boxes of 21 Prizm and draft picks. Basketball got them for $29.99 from Burns and Noble. And I should say that content-wise, these blasters are much more interesting than the mega box, which we broke yesterday because first, there are this Purple Wave blaster exclusive parallel. Then there are Green Pulsar blaster exclusive parallels number 225. And most importantly, there are these on-campus inserts, which are kind of a downtown insert version for college cards. And it would be really cool to pull an on-campus card of Evan Mobley. Of course, the odds, I suspect, are not in our favor, but this can, of course, be said about 110% of basketball products. But because Evan Mobley is a USC Trojan in this product, like I grabbed this clip of premium lubricated Trojans to perhaps attract Evan to us. Okay, we start with this springy player. And we get Russell Westbrook green parallel as UCLA Bruin. These green parallels don't look very good to me in terms of color, unless it's, of course, Boston Celtics, but I have a sweet spot for them because they were in the original, already in the original 2012 Prizm release. And Dominic Wilkins, I think this is green wave parallel. Yeah, looks, I mean, the not green, purple wave parallel. Looks weird, and like, yeah, this one of these many parallels which has been added over the years. And we get an instant impact of insert of Franz Wagner. I think Morris Wagner used to be a rook for UCL for LA Lakers a couple of years ago. I remember pulling a lot of him. JJ Redick, a great shooter, but I think he already retired, or maybe not. Like I remember him playing for New Orleans, but after that I don't remember. Brilliance insert of Chris Duarte. And there's some kind of no, that's not a prism. Is this like an image variation or something? Looks like a little bit unusual. This might be like an image variation. Yeah, like had this like Panini. Oh no, I think it's this old school parallel of this is the same design as the original 2012 Prizm basketball, or maybe like image variations are done in that way, but a cool card nevertheless. Malcolm Brogdon, and we finish with Franz Wagner, Michigan Wolverine. We didn't pull anything crazy from the first blaster, but overall this is a much funnier break than the Mega Box. There is much more color and also inserts. I think there are no inserts in the Mega Box. So although price-wise, per card price is slightly better in the Mega Box, this is a funnier break. And what is this? We pulled like Evan Mobley, not like, of course, on campus, which I was hoping for, but a widescreen insert. And fireworks of Usman Garuba. Yeah, this inserts definitely make this a more interesting break, although yep, nothing of particular value here, but yeah, overall fun little break, especially given that I haven't broken Prizm for a while.